Hi guys, so in this video we are going to talk about how to build GTK from source, but this is going to be a series of videos. That means we'll be starting off with the dependencies. We'll be trying to build each one of them from source, and then we'll be moving on to building GTK from source. Okay, because I'm on Ubuntu 20.04 base distribution, which means that I cannot just do sudo apt install lib gtk -4.0 -dev or something like that. Okay, so that is not possible. Also, I'm not in a on a rolling release distro, like for example on Arc based distributions, where I can just follow the Pacman repository, right? So yeah, that's unfortunate for me right now, but yeah, that's the way it is, right? Okay, and it can happen for a lot of users out there. They don't want to change the distribution, but they still want to try and learn GTK4, which is great. So yeah, the first thing is you need to build it from source, and it's a really good habit. Okay, it's really good that you try it out yourself, and it's great. Because if you want to contribute, if you want to add your own C out statements, I mean printf statements, since it's C, but it will be fun for you to learn. And yeah, it's good habit to get some errors and try to do it yourself. So I've tried to do a few things there already, so that's why you will see that this is something I've downloaded before, but don't take a look at that right now. So very first thing is you need to have these. You need to go to the GitLab repo of GTK and try to follow the instructions. Okay, always follow the documentation. Don't try to go to Stack Overflow just now. Okay, but we'll go there. Now, in order to build GTK, you will need all these four dependencies first. These are very basic dependencies that hopefully will, these very first, like first two will probably you might have installed already if you're a developer. C99 compatible compiler, it can be anything. Usually on Linux, I prefer GCC. So yeah, maybe just install it. Then you need Python 3. It comes by default for a lot of distributions, so that's great. You can check by typing Python and check the version, what the version there is, and then try to install Mason and Ninja. Now, very first thing, okay, so this video will be limited to Mason and Ninja, how to install, and then we'll move on to the dependencies. Okay, now please use pip for installing these dependencies, or maybe Anaconda. I don't know if this is on Conda, but yeah, you can use pip install Mason and pip install Ninja. And the reason I'm telling you this is because depending on the distribution that you are on, okay, if you do sudo apt install Mason, it will also install Ninja for you, by the way, Ninja-build, but the version that you will get is 0.53.2, okay, if I'm not wrong. And that is not what is like the minimum required version for GTK4 is 0.54.2, so if I'm not wrong. So using pip for installing Mason and Ninja is great. Okay, and you can just do it by using pip install Mason and Ninja. But when you do this, make sure that you are in an environment. Okay, like it's a good habit to have your own environment. Like you can skip doing it, by the way, but I will create an environment. I have already created my environment, and I'll go to conda activate gtk-dev, so that I'm on my environment where I'm trying to install the dependencies for GTK, at least using pip, whatever I'm using. Okay, other dependencies which are like going to be installing global scope, that is different. Okay, so you can just do pip install Mason and Ninja, and that will work for you. I've already installed, and as you can see, the version is 0.59.1. That is great, and for Ninja it is 1.10.2. That's great as well, I guess. So yeah, that's how you should install Mason and Ninja. And once this is done, you can also check Mason has hyphen version, and similarly for Ninja hyphen version, you can see what other versions that have been installed, and that's a great way to start. And this video is only about Mason and Ninja. In the next video, we'll be talking about the dependencies and how to build them from source. Thank you.